Compressor. Ano ito? Air tank.
Reservoir.
Okay.
Kailangan mag-ikuha ng 30.
30 pesos.
30, kuan.
times.
Ito lang yun.
Okay na, let's go into the...
Okay, 30. So when we open the valve, the PSI, 30 PSI. Okay. Open this one. When we open this, 30 bars. So we can open the it. Oh, makita na to. Drain the okay. And then sa fuel. Okay. There are two
There are 2 by
two tube.
two-way.
Into
Main engine
to generator. Okay. So
there and there.
again and again before starting the we go to the ARS before starting the engine. We on first the two generator.
That's all for today.